How to install Windows 10 on your computer. Are you ready to upgrade your computer to Windows 10? Installing a new operating system can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to install Windows 10 on your computer, step by step. First, you'll need to download the Windows 10 installation media from Microsoft's website. You can choose to download an ISO file or use the Media Creation tool to create a bootable USB drive. Insert the installation media into your computer and restart it. You may need to change the boot order in your BIOS settings to boot from the installation media. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Windows 10. You will be asked to choose your language, time zone, and keyboard layout. Read and accept the license terms and then select Next. Choose the type of installation you want to perform. If you're upgrading from a previous version of Windows, select Upgrade. If you want to perform a clean install, select Custom. Select the hard drive or partition where you want to install Windows 10. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This may take some time, depending on the speed of your computer. Once the installation is complete, you will be asked to set up your user account and other settings. Finally, install any necessary drivers and updates for your computer. That's it. You have now successfully installed Windows 10 on your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.